Now let us know about the timetable in detail. Initially go to the academic, go to the timetable, and finally go to the timetable setup. This is the timetable setup screen. We can set up the timetable from the screen only. Coming to period allocation, for Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Telugu is the first period and it's a respective teacher name. Coming to Tuesday, Thursday, English is the first period and it's a respective teacher name. Now let's see how to add the timetable. We can add the timetable by clicking on the add timetable here. This is the add timetable screen. Coming to class and section, select the appropriate class and section. Coming to teacher or lecture, select the respective teacher or lecture from this drop down. Coming to subject, here also select the respective subject from this drop down. Coming to period, see we have up to 10 periods. See, in which we can choose one of each. Coming to days, here we have to select the dates for which the timetable is applicable. Right now I am selecting Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Coming to applicable from, you have to select the date for which it is applicable. At final, click on the submit button. See, we had successfully added the timetable. This is the process how we add the timetable.